Welcome to Video Makers, our stable video hackathon. And for this hackathon, our hackathon project showcases a groundbreaking 35-second film crafted using generative AI technologies, including custom GPT and stable video diffusion, demonstrating the democratization of film production. Our team consisted of me as a team leader, Mike Lively. Our team members were John Gostovsky, Davey Lively, Mohammed Ashfaq, and Brody Bond. And let's go ahead and take a look at the product.
Orion, in his futuristic apartment, discovers a cryptic message about an ancient artifact. Compelled by curiosity, he embarks on a quest joined by his skilled friend Luna. They navigate through uncharted territories and ancient ruins, solving puzzles and overcoming traps. Together they uncover a hidden chamber and retrieve the powerful artifact, but not without triggering an alarm. In a tense escape, Luna is injured, and Orion uses the artifact to save her. They return to the city, changed by their journey, with Orion resolved to use the artifact for the greater good as they stand looking towards a new future.
So the video itself, as a secondary product, was created through an agent or a series of agents using a script writer or custom GPT that we wrote. Let's take a look at that real quick. And this is a custom GPT script writer. And the way it works is when you click movie, it goes out and looks at the most current movies, and it groups those into 4 categories and turns those categories into agents. And these agents, we give them names, and they talk through building a movie script. So let's take a look at the code for that. It starts off when you click Movie Maker, it goes out and gets the trending movies. And then it categorizes movies into 4 areas, and it gives each one of the areas a people name. They act like agents. And these agents begin walking through the typical story creation process, and they create all the elements that you might find in a story, such as a protagonist, storyline, supporting character, antagonist, and a world and backstory. And then they begin looking at 5 bullet points for this typical story scene, such as starting in a zone, desiring something, entering into an unfamiliar situation, adapting the situation, getting what they desire, paying the heavy price, and returning home, but being changed, going through a character arc. And as they talk through that, then they write the script and they create images. So from that, basically what we did is we utilized the script writing GPT to generate the script and the images. We employed 11 labs to create the narration for the script. Then we actually create this 5-second video segments using Stable Diffusion image to video XT. That was suggested to the weights of the hackathon. We actually use that particular one. And then we assembled these in Filmora into a cohesive 35-second film, complete with narration and sound effects. So that was the project that we did. And here's the various links for the project, the video itself, the weight link that we used, the Hugging Face application we used to create the images. This wasn't written by us. It was written by someone else on Hugging Face. The GPT link customization, this was written by us, and it's on GitHub. There's a GitHub link and example usage, which we showed. With that said, here's the code that we showed earlier for the GPT, which is on GitHub. Just a little bit about the financial impact. It's going to be incredible here, right? The last 3 years or so, we've seen like $3 billion increased investment for AI in movies, but that's going to just exponentiate. Conservatively, 10 billion by 2030. I don't believe it. The number is going to be 4 or 5 times larger than that. That's why it's such a rich area to get into. At the end of the day, the discovery was the power of using agents to build movie scripts. It was just amazing how much content we were getting for these agents interacting back and forth and creating this movie. It encouraged us to go create a product concept. And I use this for the Gemini hackathon. It's actually not part of this hackathon, but you can go take a look at that product concept here. And we actually have begun to build this out. So looking to the future, well, we'll actually be making our own movies using generative AI technologies. Yes, this generative AI technologies have democratized the playing field. And in the future, we expect to be creating our own movies, being our own movie producers. Thank you for listening. This is Mike Lively. Bye-bye.